Stupid little single stops. Stupid as fuck.
The what?
The single stops are stupid.
Aren't you recording?
Oh yeah.
Can't be saying that.
They're stupid. Look, they fucking leak when you turn them off. Man, even if you got the tool to turn them off, like, what's the point of these singles? Damn, that one's fucking stuck. Like, what's the point of turning them off if they're gonna fucking just leak?
Stop it! Stop being so negative.
For trusted plumbing services in Oceanside, visit usplumbing.org or text 760-536-5056 for an Insta quote. Like, share, and follow for real plumbing.